Hey, how's it going? Diamond here. Today, we're taking a look into ShopKeepers. I know I'd done a video about this in the past. The only reason I'm actually doing a new video is because the whole trading system within Minecraft has completely changed. We don't use the old GUI menu anymore from the old villager system. That video is still relevant if you're using it for the older version Minecraft. However, since the plugin is updated and is now more compatible to recent version Minecraft, I decided why not to do an updated video on it. So here we are with ShopKeepers. It's a pretty straightforward plugin, and overall, I totally recommend it. It's an easy way to set up shops. If you don't want to go within complicated systems, it's a free plugin as well, and you can have an SMP server pretty easily with this. You can also set up custom items with custom name tags, so if you want to be only given such, for example, keys, and they don't have ability to add color code within your server, you could totally add it, and I'll explain a little bit more of that down the line. So make sure to watch the entire video. To get started, we do have this example, but overall, I don't like him, and I'm going to be deleting him. I can go ahead and just shift right click any shopkeeper since I'm an admin, and I can just delete one if I wanted to. So I can just go ahead and click confirm, and now he's gone, just like that. It's amazing how I can just make people disappear. What we're going to do first is set up what we want to sell. So let's say, for example, we had the currency as gold, not emeralds this time, and we wanted to sell some items. Let's go ahead and sell an axolotl in a bucket. We can sell some golden apples. I'll actually put different quantities, and we can also set some armor pieces. So I'll just do a diamond chest plate, and I guess to finish it all off, and what we'll do is sell different items as well. So for example, this nugget, which will be a custom named nugget, and we're gonna sell it for this amethyst shard. All right, so firstly, these last here, these are gonna be an example for more to the end of the video. What we're gonna do is /shopkeepers, click enter, and wherever you're looking, wherever the crosshair is looking at, what block, that's where the mob is going to spawn, or the villager in this case. However, I didn't like that he spawned here. I'm going to go ahead and shift right click him, and I'm actually going to go ahead and move the shopkeeper. I'll move him to maybe right around here, and he gets teleported just like that. I can go ahead and shift right click again, and we can also rename as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just go click on the name tag, and then I can type the word shop, and that is his new name. It only appears if you're ever looking at him, so it's perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and right click him again, and well, shift right click him, and I can actually change his variant. So if I want him to be a baby, he can be a baby. If I want him to be an adult, he can be an adult. If I go ahead and actually change his profession, I can make him into a smith. I can change him into a, I guess, a chef, butcher. I really don't know which one this is. But we also have the cartographer, and we have basically every variant within Minecraft. Now, one thing I really do like is you don't get just the variant, but you also get the biome specific type as well. So if your whole spawn is in a different type of biome, you can change that. So I can go ahead and shift right click him again, and I can go ahead and change his variant. So I'm pretty sure this one is within the plains biome, or the taiga. I don't really remember, but we have the jungle as well, and we can just change whatever we want. If no matter what we change, we're gonna get the variant correctly. We can also change his badge, which is down below right here. So if we click that, we can go ahead and change the badge. I'll put it so I'll set it to diamond, and there you go, it's changed. We have full configuration within this villager. I'm going to go ahead and shift right click him again, and we can delete him. But overall, that's everything that you need to know about the customization within the plugin. Now we can actually set up the actual shop. And like I said, what we want to sell, so up here is everything you put on the top is the result. And these two are what you're selling for, the cost. Now you don't have to do two, you can just do one. But for example, if I wanted to sell, and I'll actually get a different item as well, such as a bucket, to show you this example. And I'm going to go ahead and shift right click them. And I want to sell this axolotl in a bucket. I want to sell them for 2 gold, but you're required to bring your own bucket. And the cost is 2 gold plus 1 bucket. You get an axolotl in a bucket. We can add more, for example. I want to sell these 3 golden apples. I can sell that for 3 gold. I'm just making gold the currency here, but you can do whatever you want. It's up to you. And then for another final example, I can put a chest plate for a total of 8 gold. Works great. And now this is where we're gonna do the custom items. But before we do that, let's just make sure our shop is working just fine. If we just right click them normally, you can see here is our shop. I'm going to need a bucket, however, because I don't have one. So let's go ahead and grab that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gold in my inventory. And now let's go ahead and right click them. So we need 2 gold. He's not telling me anything yet, but we need that bucket. And there you go, a nice sound effect, and we get that axolotl in a bucket. We can add 3 this time. and we're gonna get the golden apples. But if we add 8, we're not getting the item we want, which is this. But you can always just click it. You can always just switch it at any time and get the items you want. So for this case, I would actually be able to get more than enough golden apples to last a while, or I can just get more than enough chest plates to last a while. It works great. Now let me show you the custom items. For this, we're going to need an anvil. Plop that down right there, and here you can see I'm going to rename this raw nugget, or gold, whatever you want to call it, and we're just going to rename it to pirate gold. So basically, we're going to make it so you can only buy this amethyst when you have this custom named item. You could add color code if you have a plugin for that, but overall, that's what we're trying to do here. Now, before we continue with this video, I want to point out that Revivenode did sponsor this video, so if you guys want to check them out, you can do so by checking out Revivenode in the description down below. Using my promo code DIAMOND in all caps, you can get 15% off your very first server, and you can start your very own server for lower than 85 cents a gigabyte today. So make sure to check it out, start your very own server, and you can even plop this plugin right in there. But let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do now is just shift right click them again. We have the custom named gold, and we're just going to put 2 of them right here. And now we have this pirate gold. We're going to sell it so you get an amethyst shard. Now, as you can see, I have the pirate gold and I have the raw nugget. I'm actually going to throw these away. And now I'm going to right click them again. And here you can see pirate gold. Let's see what happens if I put just raw gold. Nothing happens at all because it is not named the correct thing. So you could create your very own custom currency. You can even add custom model data and sell it that way. But it works wonders, and I actually do like that feature. Now let's go ahead and put our pirate gold. And just like that, we get our amethyst shard. It works as intended. That's the main premise, and that's why I love this plugin. It's easy to set up, it takes near seconds, and you don't need to do a lot of hassle to set up your shops. But overall, that's the entire plugin right there. It's super simple to set up. I highly recommend it. And if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like on the video, comment what you want to see next, and overall, I want to thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'm Diamond, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. Stop sniffing on my shoulder, you villager.